Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 5 ultra-compact EDC kits under $50 that pack maximum utility with minimal bulk, perfect for your pocket, pouch, or everyday carry without the extra weight. Whether you're prepping for urban adventures or unexpected emergencies, these Amazon finds from Best Glide Scout Tin, MAXPEDITION Organizer, Gerber Suspension-NXT, LifeStraw Filter, and EVERLIT IFAK will keep you ready. Stick around as I break down why each one rocks. Whoa, military-grade survival tin. Let's open this right now. Best Glide ASE Military Scout Pocket Survival Tin 2024 unveiled U.S. Military and NATO-approved items packed inside weather and water-resistant metal tin with rubber seal, exterior metal clasps, vinyl tape, and shrink wrap protection. Let's unbox it carefully for a full reveal. Tin opens smooth hinges. Secure contents, neatly organized. First item, Compact Tracker 2. Button compass, military issue. Rapid rescue whistle. SOLAS approved. Loud and reliable. Slim emergency signal mirror with sighting hole included. Fire starter kit. Magnesium rod and striker. Perform excellently. 10 NATO all-weather survival. Matches for wet conditions, tinder tabs, beeswax, candles, and Fresnel lens amplify fire-starting derma, safe, razor knife, and pocket wire saw included mini fishing kit and MP1. Water purification tablets included, water bag, and other gear for gathering and hydration. Paracord, MIL, C 5040, true military-grade cord for repairs everywhere. Brass, wire, bandages, tie, wraps, and mini sewing kit included. Silica, gel, desiccant, and shrink wrap. Protect against moisture. Build quality feels rugged yet compact for everyday carry. Weight is light pocket, friendly but solidly constructed. All items genuine military or USA made where possible. Contents sometimes vary slightly due to inventory changes. Ideal for pilots, aircrew, hikers, preppers, and emergency kits. Not an Altoids tin. This is a purpose-built container. Real-world test starting a wet tinder fire performed successfully. Compass, accurate, within degrees, useful for basic navigation. Whistle and mirror provide clear signaling over long distance. Who should buy it? Anyone wanting compact, dependable survival gear? Strong recommendation. Grab yours now. Link below. Limited stock. Need organized gear that you can access instantly every day? Imagine your EDC, first aid, and tools always ready. At the range, on patrol, or hiking the trail. This is the MAXPEDITION double-decker pocket organizer today. Compact double-decker design gives instant clamshell access every time. Dual zippers and full opening for effortless retrieval. Organize multi-tools, knives, flashlights, pens, and first aid kits. Thoughtful compartments, elastic loops and slip pockets hold everything. Dimensions 4x6 by 2.5 inches compact. Oversized grab handle provides comfortable everyday carry use. Made from 1000, denier abrasion-resistant nylon with Teflon protector. Repels grime and water. Built to perform outdoors reliably. Genuine YKK zippers and Duraflex hardware ensure long-lasting performance. Military-grade Molle straps attach securely to vests and packs. Use 3-inch tack-tie straps for external mounting versatility. Front loop field accepts morale or identification patches easily. Internal layout includes mesh pocket, key clip, and 6 elastics. Keep cables, meds, spare batteries, and small tools tidy. Clamshell access means no digging through clutter ever again. Coyote and black colorways blend neatly into tactical kits. Lightweight, yet rugged, carries reliably without added bulk. Perfect for military personnel, first responders, outdoorsmen, and EDC enthusiasts. Real-life grab-and-go readiness when seconds matter most. Organized gear reduces stress and speeds your field response. Durability assures it stands up to rough field use consistently. Easy maintenance. Wipe clean, unzip, inspect, and restock quickly. A small pouch that dramatically upgrades your daily efficiency. Fits in packs, consoles, glove boxes, or attaches to webbing. Ideal for range kits, first aid, tools, and travel organization. Add to cart now and simplify your everyday carry today. Meet the Gerber Suspension-NXT. 15 tools, pocket-sized powerhouse. Clip it for camping, hiking, or everyday carry. Ready for quick field repairs and emergency survival tasks. Butterfly spring-loaded pliers give fast one-handed access anytime. Needle nose jaws plus integrated wire cutters and stripper for clean cuts. 15 tools include blade, scissors, awl, file, screwdriver, partially serrated, two 5-inch blade handles, cutting and slicing. All outboard tools lock for safe, stable use. Durable stainless steel construction resists corrosion and wear. Lightweight, thinner design fits pocket or clipped-on belt. Close length 4.25 inches, opens to 6.5 inches total. Weighs just 6.4 ounces, barely noticeable during EDC. Ergonomic textured handles ensure secure grip in wet conditions. Skeletonized chassis reduces weight without sacrificing strength or durability. Butterfly opening allows smooth one-handed deployment of implements. Magnetic bit driver and quick change bits, speed repairs. Built-in ruler and file add precision finishing capability. Can opener and bottle opener for campsite convenience. Ideal for hunters, tradesmen, anglers, technicians, and first responders. Perfect addition to camping gear, toolboxes, and survival kits. Precision wire stripper simplifies electrical tasks and repairs. Tool lock system prevents accidental closures during tough jobs. Corrosion-resistant finish stands up to saltwater and outdoor use. Backed by Gerber guarantee, limited lifetime warranty included. Rugged enough for professionals, compact enough for everyday carry. Transforms your EDC. Fewer tools, more capability, less bulk. Use it for trail fixes, rigging, tent repairs, and maintenance. Fast deployment saves time when seconds matter outdoors. Compact pocket clip and lanyard hole improve carry options. Upgrade your EDC today. Grab the Gerber Suspension-NXT. Moonlight on a distant trail, throat dry, hope fading. I reach into my pack, fingers brushing something small. A small blue straw glints in the dim pack light. I remember stories of rivers, sickness, and fragile luck. But this is not a trinket. It's a lifeline. LifeStraw fits in my palm, weightless, less than 2 ounces. No batteries, no chemicals, just a hollow fiber membrane. It filters to 0.2 microns, blocking bacteria and protozoa. 99.99999% of bacteria gone E. Coli, Salmonella eliminated. Parasites, Giardia, and Cryptosporidium filtered at 99.999% efficiency. It even blocks microplastics, silt, sand, and cloudiness. A single straw delivers up to 1,000 gallons. That's 4,000 liters over 5 years of drinking. Unlimited shelf life. Tested around the world in extremes. I kneel by the stream, watching light on moving water. No pump, no filter setup, just dip and sip. First sip tastes like cool clarity, not fear. The membrane's lifespan quietly impresses. 1,000 gallons, reliable. Pack it for camping, backpacking, travel, or emergency kits. Ultralight at 46 grams, it disappears in your pocket. Durable caps, lanyard, carabiner ready built for rough use. Humanitarian impact resonates. One purchase equals one child safe water. I've relied on it through rain, snow, and dust. It never expired in my kit, always ready when needed. A tiny hero against invisible enemies, quietly heroic. Imagine children drinking safe water, where none flowed before. Imagine you, confident on any trail, any country, any crisis. This slender straw turns uncertainty into quiet preparedness and dignity. I recommend LifeStraw small, proven protection you can trust. Buy one today. Give a child a year of safe water. Ever worried you won't have help in an emergency? Bandages scattered, clumsy pouches, wasting precious seconds during emergencies. Car, trunk, backpack, or boat. Where's your kit? Small cuts to major trauma chaos without organization. You need a compact, complete, rugged solution. Now meet EVERLIT 250 Peace Survival First Aid Kit, IFAK. designed by Army veterans and survivalists for real emergencies. Weighs only 2 pounds. Compact 8 by 6 by 5 inches. Military-grade 1000D water-resistant nylon. Durable zippers. Quick pulls. Molle-compatible attached to backpacks. Vests. Vehicles for fast access. Organized interior with elastic loops and mesh pockets. Contains 250 pieces. Trauma supplies exceed OSHA guidelines for families. Enough supplies to treat a single family in emergencies. Tourniquet, trauma dressings, gauze, shears, antiseptics all included. Plus, survival tools, mylar blanket, flashlight, flint, knife, multifunction paracord bracelet with compass and whistle. Included 2, 1, 2. Hour glow sticks and emergency rain poncho. Ready. Designed for camping, hiking, hunting, boating, car, home, emergencies. Great gift idea for families, preppers, scouts, outdoorsmen. Before, rummaging, wasted time, panic during critical minutes. After, organized pouch, quick access, confident response, saved time. Attach it to your pack. Be ready anywhere. Ideal for first responders, hunters, families, and vehicle emergency kits. Rugged, weather-resistant, built to survive harsh outdoor conditions. Interior layout, speeds, treatment, elastic loops hold essentials. You won't be searching for tools when minutes matter. EVERLIT, IFAK, compact, complete. Rugged, your emergency companion. Order now to secure peace of mind on adventures. Click the link, add to cart, prepare for the unexpected. Be ready. Stay safe. One small bag changes outcomes. There you have it, 5 ultra-compact EDC kits under $50 that deliver serious utility without the bulk. Grab these from the links below and level up your everyday carry game today. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe for more EDC and survival gear reviews, and drop a comment, which kit are you adding first? Thanks for watching, stay prepared, and I'll catch you in the next one.